There's a special feature in Zoner Studio that many people don't know about, and I'm talking about using the map. Now, map mode is one of the many modes you can use in Zoner Studio, and there's several ways that you can take advantage of it. So we're gonna cover it in this video and see how we can utilize that tool to the maximum. Now, first off, you need to open the map. And to open the map, click Map Mode in the middle bar of the Manager module. And this is gonna show you photos that have GPS coordinates assigned to them with location data from the time that they were taken. Now, some of this data may already be stored in your photos, especially if you shot them on a smartphone or camera with a built-in GPS. But if your photos don't have this information, no worries, you can easily add it in Zoner Studio. Now, the quickest way is to drag photos from the film strip to the location on the map, enter the location right here, and then drag the photos. If you used a track log from another device, like Sports Tracker on your phone, you can import it and automatically assign GPS coordinates to your photos based on where they were taken. Now, you might be asking, why would I want to add GPS coordinates to my photographs? Well, for one thing, it makes them a lot easier to search for. Now, here's a standard map with nothing on it yet. But when I go to Location View under Catalog and click, say, San Francisco, California, a marker with a number appears on that map. That number tells me how many photos have GPS data placing them in San Francisco. Click the marker to see all the photos show up in the film strip below. And when you zoom in, you can see that one marker splits into several. That's because some were taken at more precise locations, like the Golden Gate Bridge. Now, you can control how these markers are grouped together with this icon. Adjust the sensitivity to decide whether markers stay clustered or break apart as you zoom in. The home icon shows the map in its default view, and here you can see USA, but you can customize this option, like if I want San Francisco zoomed in, because that's where I take most of my photos, let's say. Now zoom in and then click Save Home View. No matter where I go, I click the house icon and the map jumps right back to San Francisco again. The folder icon next to the house adjusts the map to show all the photos in your current folder. This means that if I navigate somewhere else, clicking the folder icon refocuses the map to where these photos were taken. You can enable Follow Folder Change, which automatically moves the map to match whichever folder you're browsing. The next icon does something similar, except that it adjusts the view to show the currently selected files in the folder. The eye icon filters the map to show just the photos you marked in the film strip. And the last icon is for loading a track log. Now, do you want to learn more about searching in the catalog? We made a video about it right here, and also the link is going to be in the description. This is where you can see which map options are available. There are 4 maps from Google, 4 from Mappy.cz, and 1 from the publicly available OpenStreetMap. So that's map mode and all the ways that you can take advantage of it. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs up anyway. Let us know what you think in the comments below or how you might use this map to your advantage. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care and have a good one.